questions lang. Ayan. Dahil nandito ka na, galing, kamusta?
Galing ko lang sa live.
Ako nga, kamusta naman ang Novaliches?
Okay naman po.
Sa Uyo?
Wala namang.
Dito, okay na ba? Di parang dito yung ilaw.
Wala naman pong baha or what. I just came from Will to Win Live.
Oo.
So I had to go earlier so I can be here now.
And I heard kayong dalawa, no? Siyempre, alam ko kailangan magpahinga, pero bago kayo ipagpahinga, itatanong na kita kasi si Kiko, kayo na ko pa hina-hot seat.
Yeah.
Tinatanong ko yung dating life niya. Buti nga nandito ka eh.
So, how was your dating life? Can I be
Single
the
pa rin.
interviewer?
Single pa rin.
And why do you choose to be single?
Masaya naman. Wala naman akong kailangan. Hindi ko pa nahanap yung the one. Or hindi pa dumadating.
Hindi, tsaka paano siya magiging ano? Kasi at least ikaw may days off ka, yung will to win, parang wala.
Yun nga, dahil nga wala akong days off. Pero naman, Monday to Fridays lang naman ang will to win. I have Saturday and Sunday with my dogs. And kung ano-ano pa. So, wala talagang time.
Congratulations because yung Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa is doing really well. That's after Frontline Pilipinas. Will to win as well.
Diba
You
makasunod lang?
you reached your, kung ano yung mga targets nyo for Will to win. Kamusta, gaano kasaya sa programa?
Ayan, tumataas yung rating namin lately. Okay naman, masaya. Ang dami kong nami-meet na tao. Sobrang saya. Para kami live. Kaya hanggang ngayon po, wala akong boses. Malat.
Wait, Cindy, kasi bukod sa, marami ring edits ang Will to Win online. And alam naman natin gano'ng ka-controversial si Kuya Willie, kahit anong sabihin niya. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga nanonood ng Will to Win at nagsasabing, syempre nakakatawa at nakakaloka at nakakatuwa yung mga pinagagawa ni Kuya Will sa pagsagot ng telepono.
Tama.
Lahat pinupuna.
Yes, Kuya Will is Kuya Will, pero sobrang saya. Napaka-generous si Kuya Will, napakabait, at sobrang saya ng show.
So,
Hindi
limits-
matatawaran.
Kasi yung mga Gen Z, sinasabi nila, will to sermon daw si Kuya Willie. Ano gusto mo sabihin?
Hindi na po niya kami sinesermonan ngayon. At never naman niya ako na-sermonan live.
Kasi parang A student ka sa klase. Parang siyang valedictorian, yung
I
perfectionist.
think I was the bad one in the school.
Sa 40?
No,
Hindi,
I'm very
mabait
nice.
yan. Sobrang bait niya sa 40 talaga. Walang naging problem kay Kiko. But in Will to Win talaga, si Kuya Will gusto lang niya kaming turuan. Gusto kami matuto. So, alam mo, para relax na lang. Like lately, relax na lang kami.
Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga Gen Z nagsasabi nga na nakakaloka si Kuya Will?
Yes, nakakaloka si Kuya Will, pero masaya, napakabait ni Kuya. Kaya sana manood kayo araw-araw kasi sobrang saya talaga ng show. Gusto lang namin tumulong sa mga tao. Gusto lang namin magpasaya. Yun lang talaga yung gusto ni Kuya Will at naming lahat.
And Kiko was saying, nag-guest siya last week, kinapakain niyo pala yung mga audience?
Yes, a lot of people. And giving shirts too.
Yes.
It's a long line and yeah, they're doing amazing stuff and helping people and I'm all for it.
He even gave his own jacket.
I gave my
Kiko.
jacket because like I was telling everyone just like, oh Kiko, you gave your jacket away. Should we get it back? It's like, no, that's a dream of mine. Ako naman yung magbibigay ng jacket dun sa Will to Win. Yeah.
I love it. Pero okay, puntahan natin yung 40. I heard about Kiko, your work ethics, everything. Anong gusto mo i-share about this love story na sinasabing you never really love someone until you learn to forgive?
Sobrang nakaka-relate ako sa story na to talaga in real life, in my past relationship. Ang ganda ng twist ng movie na to. Yun yung kailangan abangan. Wala na ako ibang sasabihin. This is not just a typical, romance drama. Madami kang matututunan. May
Fun fact, the song was like the first time we danced, right?
Yes,
That's
yes.
when they played it. That's when they got it.
The leads.
And that's the first time we connected. Like we didn't have to talk. So
Yes.
yeah.
Kasi tahimik ako sa set.
Oo.
Kiko din. Parang very focused kami talaga. Tapos, Paano ba?
That song just when Direk Dadu played that song, we knew we got it. We knew we got it. So perfect.
Congratulations guys sa inyong mga programa, sa extension.
Yes. Wait, I could neither confirm nor deny.
Walang yes!
I said thank you. Yes, thank you for the support.
Abangan niyo na lang yung announcement ni Kiko and of course yung mga susunod kay Cindy. Thank you so much guys.
Might be a Marvel thing that I'll be back.
No!
No? Okay, no.